Hello everybody, I'm Sid, and as the title of my channel might suggest, these are some of my trees. And this is Cooper, the camera shy collie, who appears in some videos, but as soon as I point the camera at him, slopes off and hides. Some of my trees are about 30 years old. Some of my trees are grown from cuttings or seed. All sorts of bonsai projects. Bonsai old and young. And all shapes and sizes. Here's a large beech forest that I put together last year, and a small cherry landscape that I did this spring.